Here we're solving a problem that comes up under quadratic functions and equations. So here we have the equation x squared minus 4x minus 5 equals 0. And first I notice this is a quadratic equation because the highest power of x is 2. And the equation is already set equal to 0, so I can solve it by factoring. So in this case, I look for two numbers that multiply to -5 and add to -4. And those numbers are -5 and +1. So what I can do now is factor the quadratic. And so I can factor it as the quantity x minus 5 times the quantity x plus 1 set equal to 0. Okay, so next I solve each equation. And so I will go ahead and do that by setting each factor equal to 0. So we have x minus 5 equals 0, or x plus 1 equals 0. So x plus 1 equals 0. Okay, and so all we have to do is solve each equation. And so we know that x, when you add 5 to both sides, x equals +5. And subtract 1 on both sides, so that is x equals -1. Okay, so the solutions to the equation are x equals 5 and x equals -1. And these solutions represent the x values where the graph of the quadratic crosses the x-axis. So let's take a look at this on the graph here. So we can see on the graph where x, let me mark that, where x is -1 and x is +5. So that matches our solutions. All right, and so next we're going to work on another problem under polynomials and higher degree equations.